In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a test site in Wix. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a safe, duplicate version of your site, where you can experiment and make changes without risking your live website. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you already have a site open in the Wix editor or Wix Studio. Once you can see your site layout and all the editing tools, look toward the top of the screen. You should see a dark or black circular icon inside a small box in the upper bar of the editor. Next to that circle, there's a small arrow. This arrow opens a menu related to your current site. Go ahead and click on that arrow beside the black circle. When you click it, a drop-down or panel will appear, showing different options connected to the site you're working on. This is essentially your quick access menu for site-level actions, not just design tools. In that menu, look for the option labeled Site. It may appear along with other items like settings or tools, but you want the one that clearly says Site. Once you find it, click on Site. This tells Wix that you want to work with site-wide options such as duplicating or testing instead of just editing individual pages. After you click Site, another set of options will appear. Here, you should see an option that says Create Test Site. This is the feature that lets you spin up a separate version of your current website. Click on Create Test Site. What this does is copy your existing site into a new environment where you can safely test design changes, new apps, or content updates without affecting what visitors see on your live site. As soon as you select Create Test Site, Wix will begin guiding you through some on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. You might be asked to confirm that you want to create a test version, give it a name, or review basic details. Take a moment to read each message so you understand what Wix is setting up for you. Once you complete the prompts, Wix will create your test site based on your current one. From here, you can use this test site to try new layouts, experiment with features, or prepare larger updates. When you're happy with your changes, you can then apply those ideas to your live site confidently, knowing you've already tested everything in a safe space. And that's all it takes to create a test site in Wix.